Hey guys, back in the shop. It is October 2022. I haven't worked in the shop all summer, and it's kind of gotten disarrayed and screwed up. And so today I'm trying to get it organized and get it so I can do some work in here. Also, I've just not really had the desire to make anything. And sometimes, at least for me, I have to take a break. So I am going to do some cleanup here. One thing I do want to do is get the CNC back up. I've got a few ideas for that. It has been like in July and August in Idaho, it gets just hot. I mean, 105, 107. I think we had one day at 110. The garage gets to 120, 125, just insane. You'll notice here I have the Rikon mortising machine. I did a video on a cheaper machine, and I used it a few times, and I like to have this vise here, and it's movable, and to me it makes all the difference, so I went ahead and bought this. Haven't really used it, but I have some projects in mind that I want to use it on. I want to have a mortising machine in the shop, and I just put it on an old stand I have. Put my sharpening gear over here. I'm at the point I have too much stuff in here. I got to start selling some stuff, so I'm getting rid of that planer, which is a Craftsman planer. It's a good planer. I did buy the DeWalt. Geez, it's just a joy to use. What a wonderful piece of equipment. I've wanted one forever, and I finally pulled the trigger and bought one. I did buy some new camera gear, and I'm a photographer. I have, in college, I minored in photography. I used to have my own darkroom and develop film. And when I bought my first digital camera, I threw all that gear away. I just was like, well, this is obsolete now. So anyway, I bought a Sony video camera. It's the ZV-E10, and so far I really like it. And then I bought a face recognition tripod attachment that follows me. You'll notice when I move, it goes with me. And this is all new, so we're going to try it out. Anyway, that's enough for the video now. I'm going to continue to clean the shop and organize it, and hope to see you further on down the trail.